Have you ever thought what happens if two users try to change the SAP records directory? One might update it, another one override the data, means data inconsistency. Here's the good news. SAP has already a serious bodyguard called lock object that will secure your data. So today we are diving to explain this lock object. So see you in the video. In simple words, lock object in ABAP Dictionary defines the table field which is need to be locked during an update. When you activate the lock object, SAP automatically create two function modules. The first one is ENQUEUE and the second one is DEQUEUE. ENQUEUE is used to lock the object, DEQUEUE is to unlock the object. In SAP support four types of lock object. The first one is shared lock object. Shared lock object is the object in which the user can read the data but do not change. The second one is exclusive lock, in which one user can change or modify or reread the data. The second one is exclusive lock, in which one user can read and change the data, other users are blocked. Third one is exclusive but not cumulative, in which one user cannot log same data twice. Fourth and last one, optimistic lock. It is a modern approach in which it is used to check whether the data is updated or changed or not. Fourth and last one, optimistic lock. This is a modern approach in which it checks whether the data is changed before updating. Remember one thing, next time when you see ENQUEUE and DEQUEUE in ABAP program, make sure this is not just a function. This is a shield of SAP that secures your data. If you learn something new to this video, do not keep it to yourself. Do like, share, comment and subscribe this button. Hit the bell icon for more videos and do not forget to join our SAP community ABAP first. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.